Did you know that the key to a successful faceless YouTube channel isn't just about what you see, but what you hear? Imagine this. You're watching a video that's supposed to be riveting. The visuals are spot on, but there's something missing. It's the sound. Clear, immersive, and unforgettable audio that grabs attention and keeps viewers coming back for more. Welcome to the transformative power of sound, an unseen yet deeply felt force that amplifies the viewer's experience and enriches the storytelling journey. In our modern world, which is often dominated by eye-catching visuals, sound tends to take a back seat, operating quietly in the background. Yet it is the unsung hero of content curation. But what exactly makes audio so powerful? It all boils down to one thing: connection. Imagine audio as the invisible thread weaving emotion, storytelling, and viewer engagement together into an intricate tapestry. This invisible thread can ultimately draw the line between a video that's entirely forgettable and one that lingers in a viewer's mind long after it fades from their screen. Picture this scenario. It's nighttime, the kind that wraps the world in an expansive silence. We're taken to a remote cabin situated deep in the woods, miles away from the constant bustle of city life. Inside the dimly lit cabin, a soft glow emanates from the crackling fireplace. Each popping ember, every rustle of the surrounding trees, and the gentle cadence of a storyteller's voice paints a vivid picture within our minds. Now imagine this same enchanting scene without the carefully crafted blanket of sound. It loses its magic, its essence, its inexorable pull. That, quite simply, is the world of difference sound can make. But let's step into a more urban setting, shall we? A bustling street, teeming with life, people engaged in animated conversations, cars honking rhythmically, and the soulful tunes of a street performer wafting through the air like an ethereal breeze. You're situated at a quaint little cafe, listening to the delightful clink of coffee cups, the gentle hum of lively chatter, the barista's rhythmic tap-tap-tapping as they prepare an espresso, the soundtrack of life itself. This symphony is more than just background noise. It's the texture that imbues depth to our scenes, transforming them from mere visuals to experiences that are real and relatable. And why should sound be your secret weapon in creating content that stands out? Because it has the unparalleled ability to transform mundane moments into captivating stories without the necessity of a single visual cue. Take, for instance, the tale of swirling autumn leaves. You picture them in your mind, not solely through their description, but through the satisfying crunch of leaves underfoot, the whistle of the wind as it sweeps each leaf away, and the distant, haunting caw of a crow. Here, sound becomes your silent partner, narrating a story that visuals alone may not convey. Yet, the tool of sound remains delightfully underutilized. Many creators focus exclusively on visual appeal, inadvertently neglecting the vast potential of audio and consequently missing out on the richness it offers. They strive for pristine visuals, often forgetting the symphony that should accompany them. Therefore, if you understand the potential of sound, you've uncovered a powerful dimension in storytelling that can truly set your content apart from the rest. Let's dive deeper into this captivating world. Meet Sarah, an aspiring YouTuber who had hit a daunting plateau in terms of creativity and engagement. Her content was always visually stunning, but seemed to lack that vital spark needed to engage her audience fully. Everything changed, however, when she discovered the magic of audio mastery. She dedicated weeks to experimenting with unique soundscapes, voice modulation, and ambient songs. Her next masterpiece, an exploration of forgotten urban landscapes, became an unexpected hit. Her secret weapon? A meticulously crafted soundscape that transported viewers into these eerie, abandoned buildings, complete with creaking floors and distant echoing whispers of the past. But you must be wondering, how do you create such immersive sound without the necessity of professional equipment or a background steeped in audio production? The solution is more accessible than you might think. Technology today offers an abundance of free or affordable tools that allow anyone to craft richly designed audio landscapes. With resources like Audacity or GarageBand, you can mix layers, introduce effects, and experiment with sound quality until it resonates perfectly. Therefore, you have within your grasp the power to create a soundscape that transforms viewers into listeners, engaging them more deeply without the need for lavish setups. The very essence of audio lies within its nuances, the small, sometimes overlooked details. Consider the human voice, for instance. Its undulating modulation, the varying pace, the heartfelt whispers or exuberant laughter. These attributes all evoke emotions that adhere perfectly to your visual narrative. Therefore, mastering vocal tone can undoubtedly enhance your storytelling capabilities, drawing viewers in even deeper and ensuring your message resonates profoundly long after the video ends. Consider also the strategic use of music, a powerfully emotive tool to steer emotion and set the tone. The right background music can act as an emotional guide, subtly influencing how viewers perceive and interpret your content. But tread carefully, for with great power comes great responsibility. Strive to ensure that the music complements the visuals without overpowering them, enhancing the narrative without drawing attention away from the core message at its heart. And now, let's talk about the art of silence. Within the hustle and bustle of sound engineering, silence has the potential to be your most profound tool. It builds anticipation, creates impact, and suspends time just long enough to let your message sink in, or to take your narrative in intriguing, unexpected directions. It's during these quiet moments that curiosity blooms and deeper engagement occurs. Let me introduce you to another creator, Michael, a mystery storyteller who mastered the art of using silence effectively. During intense plot moments, he skillfully employed well-timed pauses that left his audience hanging, breathless with anticipation. But those quiet pauses did more than merely capture attention. They transformed into rhetorical devices that invited the audience to fill in the blanks, to become active participants in the unraveling story. Finally, never forget to be playful, perpetually experimenting. Become a dedicated sound detective. Explore new environments, capture the unexpected, and harness the power of layered sound, a strategic interplay of voice, music, ambient sound, and the beautiful counterpoint of silence. Sound isn't just an accessory. It is the heart of the viewing experience and often serves as the true path to authenticity. While you might not be showing your face, with sound, your personality, your essence, and your creative spirit ripple through every frame of your videos. When you master sound, you're not just a creator. You become an architect of experiences, a sculptor of memories in your viewer's imagination. In the grand arena of faceless YouTube channels, it's not only the eyes that hold power. The ears bask in attention, and armed with the right strategies, you'll captivate and grow your audience in ways you once only dreamed of. Let sound be your secret ingredient, your conduit for storytelling and engagement. So, open your ears and your mind, and start truly listening. As you dive headfirst into this journey of auditory exploration, you'll find that the power to mesmerize your audience isn't limited to their line of sight, but resides within their realm of hearing. And always remember, as you experiment with sound, you're not just creating content. You're crafting enduring experiences that resonate, echo, and leave an indelible mark. Continue to explore the boundless world of sound, and stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll delve into the art of crafting a cinematic experience through the unique perspective of faceless channels.